home lies at the edge of the world. To reach here, I walk through a tall grass savanna, which hides me so that no one can follow. I walk for a long time, through the tall grass until I come to a great oak tree. It is the only tree as far as the eye can see. I planted it a long time ago to mark my way home. I often rest under this oak tree, surrounded by a swamp that was made by my tears. Sometimes I wade through it, and sometimes I, cracked in spirit, just fall and let go. And the swamp brings me to the edge of the world, to my home, where every locked drawer hides my feelings, and every open drawer is a violet memory. Each unlit lamp is warmth craved for, and every patch of sunlight drains that teary swamp outside, where each frame is a missing picture of happiness, and each window is a chance to breathe again. Stacked up plates on the table where no one ate together, and every book that reads out my own hopelessness, where I still search for my mother for help behind those draped fabrics. And each mirror is a reminder of a childhood that was dissolved. That child lives on inside this house. I meet myself, a boy of 8, looking outside. There is something beyond the swamp, the world that calls to him. We yearn for it together, but we have never left. So we live here, inside a constant scream.
Hello? I came home early to prepare your favorite dinner. How are you? It's been a while. I'm bringing out dinner. There you go.
What are we eating?
What is it you like the most?
You wouldn't make it.
I did. Jackfruit. I don't know who else likes jackfruit like you. What do you think? Let's say our prayers to that.
Father, praise you.
Father, praise you not. There is a blue door in this house with a beautiful golden knob. The door invites me to open it and to return to the world across the swamp. But I cannot touch the knob. It burns. like a cold fire, ever since you built it, Father. There's a knock at the door. Or is someone turning the key? Is that you, Father? It sounds like the sound of a dying heart. The sound when you hit me and hit me and hit me and hit me. I'm afraid of the door, Father. I have no courage. Father, you've put a lock on my heart. Father, I hear something more. A cool wind blows across the savannah. It comes from my mother, who stands out there for me, alone, lost in the swamp.
I am the dark shadow, who stands on one foot, and sometimes, when I get tired, I switch my leg, like a heron who keeps an eye on the house as the sun sets. The wind blows. It will touch love, which I hold for you, like water in my hand, dying of thirst in the salty swamp, but I give this water to the wind, and may the wind bring it to the burning blue door.
My mother cannot wade across the swamp, Father, but I hear her, the heron, singing in the setting sun. That song will kill her. So I praise you not, Father.
Go away. You can't be here. Go away right now. This is not your place, so don't act like you own it. You walk in here with your sweet dreadfulness. But you make us cold, deep under the skin.
Get out. Get out. And as you are leaving, take this fear with you. You're grown old. You were young. You hit me. Do you see this boy now? You were hitting him. Is that your mother? She barely speaks now. Once she could. She tried to stop you, didn't she? her hand between us, and you hit her hand. She would beg you to stop. The more she pleaded, the more you hit.
I remember. You locked him in the bathroom and locked me out. You looked down on him, you towering inferno, you mad man. You slapped his face. You kneeled down and kept slapping him. You hit his face with your knuckles. You hit his ear. You grabbed his hair. You closed your eyes and kept going on till he was on the ground. I remember.
My face felt ugly and small, broken and cracked. It's like someone had cut my face open with a knife. Sit in this mire. Live through this, like I have lived. I will not let you kill yourself. I will kill you instead. I've killed him.
Why did you kill him?
So we can be free. So you don't have to become me. So we can leave. His furies still follow me.
You cannot kill him and hope to leave. He is our father. If we do, you will always remain me, and I will always remain you.
What do I do?
Look at him. He has been in pain like me, and he has been broken like you. Love him. Love him back. Not as a father. You cannot. You have killed father. Love him as your son.